Strengthen the hand, O my God, that it may take over the wicked steadfastness of the host of the world, throughout no power of grace, rather than finding the universe, that the path belongs to it, or Spirit Almighty, the most powerful. I have turned my face unto thee, O Lord. Illuminate with the light of thy countenance. Protect them from turning to any unworthy. Allah, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, 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 love. Love, love. God testified that there's none other God but Him. He is the kingdom of revelation or creation. He entered Banal President with the day spring of revelation, who conversion, sign and room, spring horizon had been made to shine. The root tree, when which streets now passing and spoken, through whom the call have proclaimed unto all land heaven, and known on the earth, who thou possessing is come. I tend them and glory dominions are God, the Lord of all men, the possessor of the throne and high and the earth below. Exalted art thou above my praise, in the praise of anyone beside me, above the description, in the description of all on heaven and all on earth. Disappoint not, O my Lord, him that hath with beseeching fingers come to him in the mercy and thy grace, with the whole of those who show mercy at the most merciful. I testify to thy unity and to thy oneness, that thou art God, that there is none other God but thee. Thou hast therein revealed the cause of the covenant, and opened wide the door of thy grace to all the true alone heaven and earth. Blessing and peace, salutation, and glory rest upon the loved ones, whom the changes and chances of the world have not yet turning unto thee, and have given their all, and obtaining that which is thee, all that in truth, the ever forgiving, to all bountiful.